The last 2 months of sharing travel highlights has been wonderful and gratifying. This month, I'd like to get back to basics, truly foundational elements like sleeping, eating, moving. Lifestyle changes can be powerful. If you manage your lifestyle, medicine and technology could all be secondary for a long time during your life. I want to expand on holistic health, the maintenance model of health instead of the disease treatment model that much of our current healthcare system is predicated on. When is the last time you went to the doctor and they recommended a lifestyle change instead of a prescriptive treatment? If you understand the implications of that, you'll realize that you are your own best advocate for your health. In the weeks ahead, I'll be sharing tips on how to sleep, eat, and move your way to better health. Want answers? Send your questions, comments, and thoughts about life to universe@thelinlife.com. Thank you so much for listening to the Lin Life Universe. I hope you've been enjoying it. Please leave a review.